Hi dolls, Naja here with a new video all about these gorgeous Indique Remix curly clip-ins. I love clip-ins. They give you a beautiful style in a hurry without the commitment of a sew-in or the cost. You guys, this is the hair in its natural state with no product on it. Only thing I've done is washed and conditioned these clip-ins, and this is the natural curl pattern. Absolutely gorgeous. And here is the entire set. You get a set of 10 clip-ins or 10 wefts ranging from 3-inch 2 clips to 9-inch 4 clips. You guys, here is just the pattern of the hair, and we're going to start off. You guys, I'm about to scare you in a second, okay, because I'm about to take this bonnet off and you're going to see the craziness up under here. But just know that this hair is going to cover it all up, you guys. It's going to be gorgeous once I'm done. I just went ahead and threw in some just, regular braids, you guys. These braids are about a week old, and I just went ahead and did some cornrows. The front of my hair and the middle section, I did go ahead and flat twist. But this gives me the opportunity to care for the braids up underneath. So I spray a little bit of leave-in conditioner in and then some hair oil. And this is just to make sure my hair is taken care of underneath the clip-ins. You definitely want to make sure your hair is taken care of. So, like I said, you guys, this is the scary part, okay? Don't look at my hair right now because it is going to be fixed in a second. Okay, so what I do here is I go through the bundle of clip-ins and I find one that is going to fit the nape of my hair. This is going to be the three clip-in for me. This might vary for you. Again, everyone's head is different, so just use what is going to work for you. Here I'm using a 4-clip-in as I move up my hair to where, the longer width of my hair is going to be the middle section. So you're going to want to use more clips in that section. So here I'm using a 4-clip, and then I'm actually going to end up using a 3-clip to, make sure that I reach the full edge of my hair. So you just put them in. They each come with little combs, and so you just open the combs and you place the combs in the hair, and then you just close the combs. It's really that simple. I'm kind of walking it through you here to kind of show you what I'm doing. Again, you just pick the size that you need, open the clips, put them into the hair, into the braids. I just attach them to the braids directly to my hair, and then I just close the clips, and that's it. They are perfectly secure, you guys. These things did not come out whatsoever. They don't hurt. Just make sure that you put them in so that they're comfortable for you, and then just work your way up. You can put in as many as you like. You can use this to supplement with your hair. So if you wanted to wear your hair out and just use this to make it a little bit fuller, you can do that. Since I am doing a full head, I'm leaving very little of my hair out. I am going to go ahead and use a second bundle. I used about half of the second bundle to just create the fullness that I like. And again, I'm just moving up the hair, and so now we're just going to work on the front. Here in the front, like I said, I did flat twist my natural hair, and you guys, the texture to me is absolutely perfect. I think the braid out really does blend in beautifully with this curly texture, and I am a 4C girl, so you can definitely work with this hair texture if you are a little bit more on the kinkier side. So again, I just went ahead and blow dried my hair a little bit and then flat twisted it and then braided the back. So here I am going to pop in a couple of more clip-ins in this area just to make it a little bit more full. And as you can see here, you guys, it blends in with my hair beautifully. I'm taking the 2 clips here and just layering it right in between my real hair and the previous clip-ins. Here I'm taking a comb just to separate it. I'm doing this very gently, you guys, because I do not want to disturb my curl pattern that I've already worked so hard on. Here I'm just going ahead and cutting the clip-in. You can adjust these clip-ins to meet your needs. So if you need a 1-clip, just go ahead and cut it, you guys. If you have a 4-clip and you need a 3-clip, an additional 3-clip, you can go ahead and cut it. So it's super versatile. Here I'm just placing it on an area that I felt was maybe a little bit thin, and just cover it up with my natural hair. Again, I'm being very gentle, not to disturb my curl pattern too much, because I do want it to, you know, continue to blend in without it getting too frizzy. You guys know how, you know, our hair goes. So here again, just parting the hair, placing the clip in. Here I'm just basically placing it directly into like the scalp or on top of the hair there, and then open the clip and then just close it. And here, you guys, as you can see, it blends in so good. I am getting quite a few grays, so I'm a little bit, I say a silver fox, but you guys, I'm getting a few grays. But other than that, this hair blends beautifully. I wanted it wild like this. I wanted my roots to be exactly how they are. I am going to go ahead and lay my edges, but if you wanted to flat iron, like, you know, your middle part, you can do that. But I'm just going to lay down my edges and call it a day. I'm not going to do baby hairs. I'm not really a baby hair kind of girl. But yeah, you guys, I am so happy with this set. I just wanted to do a video to show you guys how easy it really is to just create a new beautiful style without the commitment. I take these out at the end of the night. I do not sleep in them. You don't want to kind of sleep in them because they can, you know, damage your hair if you're a wild sleeper. So be sure to take them out at night and then pop them back in. This took me maybe 10-15 minutes to do this. So yeah, make sure you check out Indique Hair. I have a coupon code in the description box, as well as links to where you can find this particular hair. I am rocking 18 inches, and again, this is 2 sets of their Remix curly clip-ins, and I used about 1.5 bundles. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy this hairstyle. I absolutely loved it, if you cannot tell. Yeah, that's gonna be all for this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.